I just paid $49.95 to get my unit serviced, or did I get my unit they're just gonna look at it? I mean, what am I getting for my $49.95? Are they just putting the gauges on it, or are they actually gonna come out and clean my unit? I mean, it's a lot of variables here, isn't it?
Yep.
Now for the $49.95 or $59.95, or you think they're gonna clean your coil for you?
No, they're not.
Is that a separate charge?
That's gonna be a separate charge.
So they're gonna pull the cover off and they go, oh, by the way, you need to get your coil cleaned.
Yep.
And you may need a capacitor, and you may need a contactor. And there's all kinds of things that's wrong with this unit, right?
That's right.
So by the time the gig's up, they may have you for $300 or $400. For $150, we're gonna service your unit twice a year, right?
That's right.
Most reputable companies do that. But if you call up a guy and says it's $49.95 because you went with a little promo thing, this is what could happen. Cleaning the coils cost how much?
Like 90 bucks to close to $200. It just depends on how dirty the coil is.
Plus the $49. Now we're at $200.
Yeah.
So let's say, that, oh, by the way, your contactor's pitted and your coil needs cleaning. Where are we at?
Close to 400.
So let's just say you got out real cheap and he felt real good about helping you. Because he says, I'm gonna help you today. We just only charge you $350 to get your unit up and running right. You just got scammed out of 200 bucks, guys. And they do it job after job, day after day, year after year. You can't get anything done for $49.95, I can promise you. So don't get scammed. Pay the $150, come out twice a year, check your unit, clean the coil, and you don't have somebody trying to sell you something you don't need. Because the service tech's already getting paid. He's getting paid a fair price, and he's getting paid to make sure you're treated fair. Our job is not to sell you something because we were doing a lost leader. Our job is to make sure your unit is running properly and you can get 15 years of service out of it, right?
That's right.